Cause this thing, oh my god, bro. This is bad, bro. This looks good. Oh my god, guys. This thing looks flat. Yo, what is up, YouTube? It's currently 5 a.m. right now, and as you can see, it snowed a couple inches here. And I'm actually headed to work. And we're gonna clean up the SI. As you can see, it's a lot of snow. Turn it on, warm it up, clean it, and then we could head out. Damn. Damn, this thing's stuck in here. Alright guys, so that's like the best I'm gonna get it to. It's kind of a lot of snow. Alright, let's go. Am I gonna get out of here? I think I'm good. Let's see if this thing can come out. We're gonna head out right now. See if I can get out of this. I think it's kind of high and the car's super low, so. Yep, this thing just go right through it. Yeah guys, as you can see, the weather has been lately, it's been bad, so can't really do much. It's always either raining, snowing, or it's really cold outside, so can't really do much now. But yeah, I just decided to take the camera out so we could go for a POV drive in the snow with that side and see how this thing does. This thing be going through almost everything. Can't see nothing right now. But yeah, the LSD in this car really helps it a lot. It almost never stays stuck anywhere, so. And I'm on all seasons too, so. With winter tires, I'm pretty sure it will just run through anything almost. I have to go pretty slow. These roads are wet right now. Low tire pressure. Okay. That hasn't come out in a long time, so I'll have to check that after. Tire pressure. I hope it's not that bad. The last time that light popped up, the tire blew up in the highway. And luckily I didn't crash or anything, but I hope it's not that bad. I would usually be flying through here, bro. Not right now. pull over more ahead. Check. It got super dark right here. Guys, I don't like how this thing is feeding. This thing feels weird. Like it's shaking a little bit. I don't know if the tire is fine. I'm about to pull over in a bit. I think I pull over right here. I'm not liking how this thing is driving. Check if everything's fine. This tire's good. This one looks good. This one looks good. Oh my god, guys. This thing looks flat. I don't know if I could make it. The tire's flat. Oh my god, this is bad, bro. This thing always happens, man. Guys, I'm gonna pull over because this thing, oh my god. Bad, bro. I'm looking for a gas station near me.
Head west on Eagle Rock Avenue.
Shit, is that a DOT? Maybe he could help me. Let me see. Guys, so this guy might help me. I don't know. He's the DOT, so he said I gotta do a phone call though. I don't know why. Do they not carry the air compressors? Alright guys, so the guy's gonna help me out. He's gonna put air on the tire, so let's see. Everything is black. I don't know if you guys can see it. This looks pretty good. Guys, I got saved by this guy right here. Cool dude, man. Yeah, so the tire was almost literally flat. And if I kept going, it was gonna damage the tire or the rim. So I got tire on there right now. Should be good. The light's still on. I don't know why it's still on, but it should come off in a bit. Yeah, thank God the tire wasn't damaged, because if it was damaged, I would have been fucked, pretty much. Damn, is it snowing again, dude? Oh my God. This guy's in the fast lane going like 40 miles an hour. And thank God that guy pulled up. It was a NJDOT, so I literally just put the GPS to go to the nearest gas station. I would have to drag that thing all the way over there, but luckily he pulled up right behind me, so I got lucky. light's still there. It's not leaving, so. This is already the third time this thing happens to me, because the other time the tire got damaged and I had to replace the whole tire, so. I mean, I hope the tire doesn't lose air when it's parked over there, so. It's raining. It's not leaving. I don't know what's going on. Unless the tire is losing air again. I'm not sure. Damn, the car started to feel a little bit shaky again, dude. Oh my god, this is a tire fuck, man. Alright guys, so that's gonna be it for the video. I'm gonna check on that tire and see if it doesn't have any damage. Yeah guys, so that's gonna be it. Like, comment, and subscribe, and see you next time. Peace out.